Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I will show you guys how to get in the arcade. So let's begin. So first you'll need to be in Drama Township. Now you're in here, it's where you start and stuff like that. And yeah, I just want to wait. Sorry guys. Okay, so first you are here, yeah, and you go like here with this rocket. Then you go into the rocket. Then you are here and you try to go here. It doesn't work. And here it's like plushies. You can sorry for that. You can get plushies for $5, or jam money. You can go here, not here, but here, and you can't go into that. Here is all the games, arcade, and if you go down here is more, and if you go up here is some drinks and popcorn and pizza, and here's more games. So you just need to click on that game button and you'll be in the game. So yeah, I just discovered this, and yeah, then you can go out of the rocket. Then you're back. So yeah guys, that was all, and I hope that you liked the video. Bye!